This is day 3 of cooking Gorilla Tag with one arm so I get to TTT. Let's go! Huh?
Holy shit, fucking stick drift is insane. Holy shit. Yo, I just watched somebody turn at 270-degree angle. Are we fucking allowing that?
It's TTT Pig!
Blue. Jump. Jump, blue. Over here. I have to use my gym. Hi. Hi. Fire. Fire. Hi. Hi.
Guys, it's TTT Pig!
Dude, your funny run is not gonna work.
It's kinda working right now, bro.
What do you mean kinda, dude? You have no control. You don't even have a controller, dude. You can't even talk.
I do have a controller, actually. You see what this is, bro? This is called a controller.
What's that right here? What's the other one, buddy?
It's right there.
Bro,
It's on my bed, bro.
Broke boy.
It's on my bed, bro.
Sure, bro. Then get it.
Where did you go, bro? Where did you go? Where did I put you? Where did I put you?
That's insane.
I swear, I would punch you in the face. The battery's right here. Where did, like, actually, I'm actually wondering now. Where is my other controller? Where? You know, it really does not matter. Oh, I landed my freaking battery so perfect, it landed inside of my wall.
Where's the lava monkey? Lava monkey was lava bean that had it. Wow. You want to play like that? I don't have any attachments to it. Okay. Oh, look at the lava monkey! Dre, what's behind you? That's the other direction. The other side of the map! Oh, okay. Shut up, bro.
Frick!
Right there. Go get him. Go get him.
Okay, I actually have to lock in now.
You missed the bridge. You missed the wall.
Nobody. Oh, where are you cooking, bro?
No, please, I'm a dog slap. I'm just a bed boy. I'm just a bed boy. Oh, hey. Hi. Where you cooking? Hi, not bye.
Wrong word.
Ah!
Why is the one-handed guy beating you?
I'm dead! Cause I'm thirsty, bro.
Oh, fuck. Oh, damn. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Red. Come here, boy. Is this competitive or is this... I think it's default. Dang it! Oh, shit.
Hey, sir, hey, Gorilla, can you reach me? Hey, Gorilla.
No, that boy's not calling me the N-word.
Gorilla. 6-7. Gorilla.
Oh, what?
Gorilla.
You erased me? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
ground.
Bro, why?
Oh! Guys, Mountain Dew is so good, bro.
Yeah, I'm on Biden though. Bro, so pretty.
Bowser.
The Biden
What the frick? TTT's lying. Guys, TTT's lying, bro. I was making big circles and it didn't work. Hey, bro, don't say that about the clan, bro. I like it.
Hello, I'm just gonna watch this video I did of myself cooking.
Hey, Blue! Hey, Blue!
I hope you cooked, bro.
Holy shit, when I do snap, it's so bad.
Let me use my J-Man powers to attack.
Why am I lagging?
I'm trying to watch it for me.
Hey, Marcus.
Somebody said I was on Steam because my mic's bad.
A few minutes. Her dad gets off that. Like,
Does it sound like I have a Steam
Holy
mic?
shit, for a VR player, I look like somebody in fucking like a Gold 2 clan. Holy shit.
I'm not laughing.
Yo, bro. Red. Somebody said I was on Steam because my mic's bad. That's crazy.
Bruh.
Okay. You're a monkey.
I'm tagged.
Hi.
No, you're not, Tiger. My fault.
Yo, I'm watching a 4-minute fucking recording of myself juking y'all's asses.
I haven't went after you at all, bro.
What the hell did I just hear the tag sound? Nobody was a laughing monkey.
I haven't went for you because I know you're way better than me.
Me?
Yeah, you're way better than me.
I know, but you can tag me. I'm watching a recording of myself.
Frick! Ow!
Now DC for you.
What? Where did the branch go?
Yo, holy shit. For being a VR player, I'm watching my recording in 3D right now. For being a VR player, I look so fucking good.
Hey, you. Look at this, you. For my project.
Are you modding?
Oh, that's
Me?
Are you modding?
I'm watching a fucking 4-minute recording of myself.
Can you watch me do walls? Can you give me advice?
Stop using taggers.
I'm using.
You just turn around, bro.
No, you just lost. It's not horrible.
Is that good?
Y'all are kind of bothering me.
Where did this kid come from, bro? This kid just freaking came from outer space, bro.
Come the fuck up. Right when I return to the game.
Wait, Flame hat. Yo, can you tell me if this is good walls? Yo.
Oh shit! It's still speed boost.
How? Chicka pow pow. Okay. I need to actually lock in.
What?
Okay, locked in.
What?
Bro, this kid is hard cheating. Nah, you're just hard off.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Opening my files right off the chat.
Ow!
Tag fix.
Why is it always my battery that comes out?
How is
Holy
tag
shit!
fix
I just went from 81% down to 9.
How is that? What do you actually mean? How is that bannable?
Holy shit! I just wanted to watch a 4-minute recording. That drained my fucking entire battery.
What headset do you play on?
Holy shit!
Yeah, right.
Holy shit! I'm out.
What headset do you play on?
Holy. Yo, could you not? Could you not?
Fine.
Bro, you're the one
Could you just not?
I'm not.
Good, like, holy shit.
Tag mod. Like,
He doesn't even
prove
tag
it.
that far, Loki.
Prove it. You're tagging the.
You why does it say a fear? Okay, I know that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, what's a tag distance? Come on. What's a legit play? What's a legit play?
Okay, it's been 10 minutes.
Come on.
That's the end of the video. Hope you guys have a great day.
Say tag distance.
Bye.